Okay, and here we go. Final run, or final crawl on the Alexis Railroad for Thomas the Tank Engine, as I question the quality of the seat that I'm on. Here we go. Ready, get set. Ew. I should point out that I am still going faster than the average steam engine in North America right now. And I should point out that I've gone a further distance just in this video alone, with this little Thomas alone, than your favorite steam engine probably. Ha ha ha. I can say your favorite steam engine this week, and I'm probably pretty safe because not too many steam engines are running, and if I waited till January I'd be really safe. Alright. Here we go, the final downhill. If I ever build anything, I need to make sure it's got some electric motor on it. Here we go, final one. Whee! How was that? Final run on the Alexis Railroad with Thomas the Tank Engine. I don't know if I should do this in one unedited video, or at least somewhat unedited video, but I think I will. You know, should I call that the last run since it was with Thomas? Or should I go for speed? I don't know, it's a tough decision. I may back up just to the top of the hill for one more little run. Beep. Oh! Sound effects are exaggerated. You know, I realize I don't think I had one of them. What's the things that the little kids, the little cars? You know what I'm talking about? Little kid cars where they stick their feet out the bottom and roll around. I don't think I had one of those. I think cousins had them. Yep. My legs are too long and this frame has too many bars. If only this frame was more flimsy, I'd have an easier time. But no, it's too strong for me to be able to stick my legs through and push it along. All right, this is the only fun part anyway. So, all right, I'm gonna stick my head out the window for this one. Just like the engineers of old. Make sure my hair is perfect in its own Weird Al way. My fellow citizens, well, to my fan, to my single fan out there, I say thank you for your support. I hope to have not let you down too badly. Farewell, farewell, ways of the foamer. I shall train. And that was the last run on the Alexis Railroad as the camera tilted up to the sky towards an optimistic future. All right, you can turn the camera back down now, I guess. I can cut it. And you can... Actually, you know what? I didn't think about it, but I didn't want to do it in one unedited thing. I wanted to do in one unedited thing the last run. And then, just to show how serious I am, I think this is like the least secured rail. Unfortunately, there's a cart on it. Actually, I should probably not do that because I need to push. I want to park the cart back over there somewhere. So I probably should not take it up before I push it up. Yo. Look at my my chalk. It was can you tell it was from Lowe's many years ago? That would have been a good block for some like special effects. You know what? That makes me kind of sort of happy, but I do admit that I think I'd be embarrassed to be seen by a lot of people going back down the road. And you know what? Just to spite them. Just to show them. Watch this, watch this. Watch this, you crazy, silly people. Pipe. Angle iron, because it's easier to get angle iron to do this than pipe. It's just hard getting pipe to come to a curve and an angle. Let's see if this works. If it doesn't, it's not making it to YouTube. All right. Needs to be locked in place like a proper switch though. Well, seems to have worked so far, even though I wasn't quite sure about it. That's a sharp curve. That's too sharp to work, but it works. So, did you notice what happened at that switch back there? It worked to move the train from one track to another. And they told me it wouldn't work. Use your anger, your dislike, your distrust of those who lie and deceive. Oops. Had a silly thing in reverse. And so now at 5:57, this is the last minute that I will have 21, 42, 84, I think, 84 feet of continuous 2-foot gauge track. I would like video me walking out into the woods, but you don't have to follow me into the woods. Here we go. Ready, get set. Ain't that a
just watch you walk into the woods?
Yeah. Ain't that a happy moment?
Oh yeah. Back feels better already. Really nice and warm.
I'm wondering how, you know, that's one thing. Look at this. Isn't it amazing that like that clay right there has been there for how many years and grass never took to it?
Yeah, I don't know what to do with that.
It's like I understand this stuff because there was a block on top of it, but
Are you going down the right side of the barn?
I'm going down this.
Oh, okay. So I can just see here.
Yeah.
Which
Would,
button do I hit? The one with the circle?
yeah, the one with the red circle. Would like for you to still be here when I get back. I ain't going that far.
Turn it off when you walk out of the factory?
No, no, you can keep going. I'll try to be quick. The hardest part is seeing